Much like building a house, like the one behind me here that we're having built for our clients, I've been building a career for the last 20 years, and the last 10 I've been with J&L Home Group and recently with EXP. So I'm just letting you know that I have decided to leave J&L Home Group and actually head off on my own. Jon Bowling team lives again, and we're gonna find a new brokerage too. Let's see what that journey looks like. All right, so the journey could be here. You know what? Nah. Let's keep moving. Then there's EXP. Okay. Spent some time with them myself. Not a bad gig, but not the one. Yep, I talked to these guys too. They were great, but not the one. Family vacation. Maybe I'll start working at this Remax. What do you think? So, let's see. I'm trying to figure out where I want to end up. No, I think I know the answer.
Welcome back, Jon.